Good morning students. This is my fifth video of class 11th chapter 1st sets. Today we will learn about the practical problem based on union and intersection of sets. Now look at this Venn diagram. This rectangle is showing universal set. Circles are showing set A and B. Now this is complete set A. This complete circle is set A. This shaded part is showing set A minus B. We have taken complete A and removed the B. That's why this is A minus B. Common part is known as A intersection B. And this shaded part we get from B minus A. We have taken complete set B and removed the elements of A. Suppose here we have number of element A. In this common part, number of elements are X, and in this shaded part, the number of elements are B. Number of element of A union B. This complete is showing A union B. It means A plus X plus B. A plus X plus B. Or we can also write number of element in A minus B, number of element in A intersection B, and number of element in B minus A. Now I am taking A plus X together. For B, I am adding X and subtracting X. It's B plus X and X. A plus X is showing complete set A. B plus X is showing complete set B. So I can write A plus X as number of element A, B plus X as number of element in B, and X as number of element in A intersection B. This is important formula to solve the practical problems. Suppose A and B are disjoint sets. If A and B are disjoint set, it means there is no common element. It means X is 0. Or number of element in A intersection B is 0. Then we can write number of element in A union B is equals to number of element in A plus number of element in B. Again, suppose I am to find number of element in A minus B. This shaded part. What is the value of number of element in A? That is small a. I have added X and subtracted X. So this A plus X become number of element in A, and X is number of element in A intersection B. Similarly, if I want number of element in A dash or number of element in not A, look at here, this is complete A. Then not A means this shaded part. How many elements are in this shaded part? This B and outside the B, Y. So I can write B plus Y. I have added A plus X, A plus X and subtracted A plus X. This total become number of element in universal set. In universal set we have element A, X, B and Y. And this A plus X is number of element in A. So number of element in A dash will be equal to number of element in universal set minus number of element in A. Now suppose we are given three sets A, B and C. The circle is showing A, B and C. This is a common part between A and B. This is a common part between A and C. And this is a common part between B and C. And this W, it is a common part in A, B, C, all these three. Now number of element in A union B union C, it means this complete part. So how many number of elements are there? A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z plus W. Now to manipulate something, we will add some terms and subtract so that we can find all the elements in the term of number of element A, B, A intersection B, B intersection C and so on. First, to get A, number of element in A, I have made some changes here. A plus X plus W plus Y. A plus X plus W plus Y. I have added these terms X plus Y plus W. In B, I have added X plus W plus Z. X plus W plus Z. For C, I have added in C Y plus Z plus W. Y plus Z plus W. Here I have added X, Y and W. That's why I am subtracting X plus W. This Y is additional, that is we already have. In this part, I am subtracting W plus Z. X we already have. And this part, Y plus W is added and subtracted. Z we already have. And W is remaining here. We have added W. Now let us check this part. A plus X plus W plus Y is showing total number of element in A. B plus X plus W plus Z is showing total number of element in B. C plus Y plus W plus Z is showing total number of element in C. Now X plus W. X plus W is showing this is a common part between A and B. It means this is A intersection B. A intersection B. Z plus W means Z plus W. It means common part between B and C. It is B and C. Number of element in B and C. Intersection of B and C. This Y plus W is showing common part between A and C. It means it is number of element in A intersection C. Now this W. W is common part between A, B and C. It means W is number of element in A intersection B intersection C. This is also important formula to solve practical problems. Let us consider one example. In a group of 65 people, 40 people like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? And how many likes tennis? Look at here. Here we are having people like cricket. Let us suppose that is C. Number of people like cricket is 40. Number of people like tennis we don't have. Let that is number of people in T. Set T. Number of people like both. tennis and cricket is given 10. Intersection is given 10. We have considered C union T. It means cricket union tennis is 65. Here we are not given universal set. We are considering here that at least every person like at least one sports between tennis and cricket. We can also go through one diagram. Suppose this is set C and this is set T. What we need to find? First we have to find how many like tennis only and not cricket. We have to find this part. People like tennis only and not cricket. It means the total number of people like tennis minus total number of people which like both. Number of people like tennis only will be given as number of people, number of element in set T minus C. Or we can write number of element in T. We have to subtract this part only. This is T intersection C. The number of element in T intersection C. First we have to find this. Secondly we have to find how many people like tennis. Total number of people like tennis is given by set T. Okay? We know that by the formula of union of two sets, number of elements in C union T will be given as number of element in C plus number of element T minus number of element in C intersection T. Put all the values. This 65 is equals to 40 plus number of people in T minus 10. By solving this, we get number of element in T is equals to 35. It means the total number of people like tennis is 35. But there are some people who like cricket also. So when we have to find number of element or number of people who like tennis only will be given as number of element in T minus C. By the formula we get number of element in T minus number of element in T intersection C. That is 35 minus 10, 25. We can also solve it using Venn diagram. This is C, this is T. We are given that total number of people like cricket is 40 and the common elements are 10. Common people are 10. How many left in this part? That is 30. And overall total in union we have 65. 65 minus 40. It is 25. It means total 25 people like only tennis and total people like tennis is 25 plus 10, that is 35, and union is given as 30 plus 10 plus 25, that is 65. Always remember that the number of element in C union T will always less than or equal to number of element in universal set. Taking another example, we have in a survey of 425 persons, it was found that 115 watch sports channel, 160 watch Discovery channel and 80 watch both channels. It means both means sports and Discovery channel. How many do not watch any channel? We have to find how many persons don't watch any channel. Suppose this set is S is showing number of persons watch sports channel, number of person watch Discovery channel. 80% watch both. It means there are 80 students in intersection part. A sports channel is watched by 115. This complete showing as 115 minus 80. That means 35. And 160 watch Discovery channel. Total is 160. 80 is here in this part. It means 80 will be in this part. We can easily find union. Total number of people are 425. Overall total in universal set we have 425. Okay. Now, a sports channel is watched by 150 person. Discovery channel is watched by 160 person. In intersection we have 80 person. Universal set we have 425 person. First find number of person in S union D. That is given as number of element in S plus number of element in D minus number of element in S intersection D. That is 115 plus 160 minus 80. Total is 195. It means in union we have 195 people. How many people are in outside this sets? We have to find the person who do not watch any channel. It means the person who are outside this circles. Number of person don't watch a sports channel and don't watch Discovery channel. Not S can be written as S dash and miss in the both sets, and is replaced as intersection. Not D means D dash. By De Morgan's law we can write like this: S dash intersection D dash is equals to S union D whole dash. Now think this is set A. By the formula, number of element in A dash will be equal to number of element in universal set minus number of element in A. Okay. Number of element in universal set we have 425 and number of element in S union D is 195. That is equals to 230. It means total 230 people do not watch any channel in both of that sports and Discovery. Don't watch 230 people don't watch sports and Discovery channel. Thank you class. I thought this is sufficient for today. Now try to solve exercise 1.6 in your book. We will talk in 3 practical problems of 3 sets in next video. Try to solve the worksheet given by me. Thank you class. I thought it is useful for you. Thank you so much.